Hey everybody, Nakul from Skills IELTS. I'm back with day 10 of the video series True, False, Not Given IELTS Reading. I really hope you finished watching from day 1 to day 9. If looking for an online course, you can text us in the WhatsApp to the number given right on the screen or send us a mail. We will be happy to assist you. And if not subscribed to this channel, kindly do subscribe in order not to miss any of the live updates. Well, without wasting any time, let's start with our day 10 of the video series, the last video of this series. I'm gonna show the question now, pause the video, and once you finish answering it, resume the video to understand the strategies. But let's check the answers. Cleanliness concept was never known for mankind. Well, now a lot of people write not given. Well, do you belong to that category? Do comment in the comment section, because the answer is not given. Cleanliness concept was never known for mankind. Concept of cleanliness has been very important for mankind. That means they already knew how important it was. That means they knew the concept of cleanliness was never known. No. It is exactly contradicting. When it is contradicting, it has to be false. Hope you are getting it. Many people would end up giving not given for this, but answer is definitely not given. Answer has to be false, because cleanliness concept was known to mankind, and it's also been very important. It's directly written, so this gonna be false. Second one, modern cultures use plants such as soap plants for cleaning. Soap, we have soap plant here in the paragraph right over there. We have primitive cultures. So this is purely based on vocabulary. If you know that particular word, then you would get it. Even if you don't know the meaning of it, you could guess it. If you're not able to guess it, then it's a fluke. Primitive is ancient, and entire thing is talking about the history of soap making. So it's obviously ancient cultures, modern culture. So it's exactly contradicting. So answer has to be false again. Hope everyone has got false there. Moving on to the third question. First soaps were produced using saponification process. Somewhere we have this saponification. Let's read the entire line. Soaps, comma and comma. See there, I am just ignoring this. The soaps, the first known and oldest surfactants used for cleaning purposes. Additional information. So how do we read it? Soaps are sodium and potassium salts or fatty acids produced from the hydrolysis of fats in a chemical reaction called saponification. So soaps are produced using saponification reaction. Soaps were first produced using saponification process. It is true. It is true. Saponification reaction, saponification process, that's how the soap is made. So it is true. Very straightforward question. When Roman Empire provided a channel of water, bathing habits improved. As the Roman Empire developed the technology to provide a steady source of clean water by means of aqueducts. Aqua is water, duct is a bath, or a tub kind of thing, wherein they store the water or something. They're talking about a channel of water. So when Roman Empire provided a channel of water by means of aqueducts, I think the both are the same. Bathing habits what? Improved. So here advanced, here improved. People write false. No. Improved is advanced, both the same. So this is gonna be true again. First one false, second one false, third one true, fourth one true. Fifth one, soap was back in business everywhere by 17th century. People see 17th century, soap was back in fashion, back in business, and people write true, but it was not back in business everywhere. It was back in business only in Europe. So it was not back in business everywhere. So here it is written everywhere, so it's exactly contradicting. So this gonna be false. First one false, second one false, third one true, fourth one true, fifth one false. The last one, association of those who make soap was found in Europe. People end up writing not given because they give up. It's very simple. Sometimes the words will be difficult. You will not have a dictionary. Well, that's a reading skill. When you read a novel, you don't have to look into the dictionary every now and then, because you find some new word in the novel which you have no clue about. But using the context, using a scenario, you try to get the meaning of it. Well, that's how most readers do. Even someone doesn't know the meaning of a particular word in a novel, when reading a novel, the person would not go into the Google or a dictionary, refer to a dictionary and get the meaning. The person would try to get the meaning from the context. Well, that's reading skill. That's exactly what you are supposed to do in here as well. Let's read. Soap making became a craft, and soap makers' guilds flourished in many major European cities. Was found in Europe. Association of those who make soap. Soap makers' guilds has to be association. What it could be? Soap makers, people, soap makers community, soap makers association, soap makers guild. So guilds here should mean association. You can consider this. Well, a lot of people would not know the meaning of it, but I'm just telling you, even if you don't know the meaning of it, by looking at it, you would know soap makers family, soap makers community. It has to be something related to people who make soap. So it should be association of those who make. You could make a wild guess here and write true. Apparently that is correct. Well, the first answer is, I'll just recapitulate the answers. First answer is false. Second answer is false. Third, saponification, true. Bathing habits improved, true. Business was everywhere back in business, no. Soap was not back in business everywhere, it was only back in business in Europe, so this becomes false. And the last one, association guides, true. So there were 3 false, there was 3 true. I really hope you've made use of this video. I'll be starting a new series very soon. Keep watching Skills IELTS. This is Nagul signing off. If not subscribed to this channel, kindly do subscribe in order not to miss any of the live updates. Thank you.